Hi, friends, and welcome back to Language with Miss Beth. Today we are learning a new letter, and it begins the same way as the V, but it has a hang down tail. It's another hang down letter. It is a Y. Do you see the Y over there? Right there. It's all the way at the end next to the Z. Y. And Y says, yeah. All right, before we get to that, let's review our sounds. Here we go. Let's do our sound chant and look at our letters. A says ah, 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 ah. B says b, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. E says ah, 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 ah. F says f, 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 f. G says g, 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 g. H says I says eh, eh. J says j, 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 j. K says k, 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 k. L says o. M says N says O says ah. P says p, 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 p. Q says, uh-oh, where did my Q go? There it is. Q says qu, 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 qu. R says r, 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 r. S says s, s, s. T says t, 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 t. U says uh. V says v. And today's letter is Y. And Y says y. All right, that was a good one. All right, friends. So today we are looking at the letter Y. And Y says yeah. Yeah. Y. Yeah. Like a color. What color begins with y? Yes. Yellow. And this is yellow yarn. Yellow yarn. Y. The next one is something that you eat at breakfast sometimes, maybe. And it is made of dairy, and maybe there's some fruit in it. It is called yogurt. Yogurt. Let me see what kind this is. Yummy yogurt, and it looks like maybe it's a lemon yogurt. Yummy yogurt. Yeah. This next item is a sweet potato, but it's a different name for sweet potato. It is called a yam. Yam. Yam, yellow yarn, yogurt. Yeah. This next item is a toy. And this toy goes back and forth. You send it down and it comes back. It's called a yo-yo. Have you ever played with a yo-yo? It has a string that's all wound up inside. And you put the string around your finger and you let it go down and you kind of yank it back up and it all rolls back up and back down. It's called a yo-yo. Yo-yo. Let's see if we can get all these in here. Yo-yo. Yellow yarn, yo-yo, yogurt, yam. Yellow yarn, yo-yo, yogurt, and yam. Yeah. Let's make our Y with Play-Doh. Remember that the Y is formed like the V first. So we're going to make this into a long snake or cylinder. And I'm going to take a guess and cut it there. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, down to the baseline. All right, here we go. Let's trace this. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, way down low. Yeah. Let's try that again. Dotted line to the baseline, up to the dotted line, way down low. Yeah. Yellow yarn, yuck. Yuck. Squeeze that Play-Doh together. Put it back. Make sure the top is on. Yeah. Yellow yarn, yo-yo, yogurt, and yam. Thank you, friends, for joining me for the first part of our lesson. Guess what I forgot? Forgot to do our scavenger hunt, and that is important because it's a fun part of our lesson. Please get your scavenger hunt out. Cut it on the line. Miss Beth. Whew. Some days are like that. It's good to make mistakes because then you learn. We learn from our mistakes, right? Right. All right, letter Y scavenger hunt. Find a yo-yo. Find a yo-yo and try to play with it. It's fun. Find something yellow. Find a piece of yarn. Find the word yes. Find some yogurt and maybe you can eat it. Find something green in your yard. Find someone that yawns. Do you yawn when you're tired? Me too. Find someone young. Maybe like Miss Beth. Somebody really young. Or you. You. You begins with Y. Find the yolk of an egg. Do you know what color the yolk of an egg is? Yes, it's the yellow part, yolk. Find a new yoga pose to try. And I know you've been doing yoga on some videos. Yoga. It's very good for your body and your mind. Please make sure you go on your scavenger hunt with someone very young and special. All right, you may put your scavenger hunt and your Ys into your box so they're ready for the next time you use them. We'll see you for part 2 in just a second. Thank you.